And Delhi police sources revealed that they will provide security to markets that have decided to remain open during the Bandh. Paramilitary forces assisting the Delhi police today. You've got protesting farmers assuring cops that the Bandh will be peaceful. The worry, however, is that some anti-social elements could take law into their hands using this Bandh as an excuse and thereby try to forcibly shut shutters in markets which are open in the national capital. And that's why Delhi police source is telling us that they're going to ensure that there is additional security at these markets. Ashutosh Mishra is joining us with more details on this. Ashutosh, security really being beefed up across the national capital. Some of the biggest markets in Delhi are going to be closed today. However, the ones that remain open, we're being told there will be additional security there as well to ensure nobody tries to forcibly shut them down.
And for better benefit of our viewers, it is the market representatives and the association. They voluntarily have extended support for this agitation. There are many markets which have extended support in demands of, in solidarity of these farmers, which will remain shut. As far as there are many associations which are related and affiliated to the BJP, they have rather decided not to support this call, and those markets they have decided that will remain open. There could be possibly, if that they believe that there could be some disruption, and that's why they have sought security from the Delhi police. Delhi police will guard those markets, those who have decided not to shut down. Let's also tell our viewers that this is not a forcefully Bharat Bandh that they are going to shut down everything. The farmers, they have only sought support from the people that this is for a larger cause. They are agitating, left everything back at home for 13 days in this temperature here on the road, and they are supporting in this fight against the government. What is their demand? Roll back these laws which is against their interest, as they believe 5 rounds of talk have been failed so far. 6th round scheduled tomorrow, and on this Bharat Bandh, emergency services are not going to affect it at all. Political parties have extended support, almost 24 political parties, but there will be unlikely any such situation of creating chaos, as these farmers have said them clearly, categorically, that do not politicize this issue. As far as national capital is concerned, indeed the government, the state government has extended the support, but there will be unlikely any incident where they're going to forcefully shut down market or any institution.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.